Senior single mother ambaye ni Akothee has just weighed in about the Sky Victor, Dan, Tash, and the Victor Kanyari's love triangle and the co-parenting issue. Akothee has written on his Facebook verified account, actually congratulating Victor Kanyari for the taking care for concerns about their child with Betty Bayo, the late. Akothee has written a very long message on a verified Facebook account, and what she's talking about co-parenting with men and women. As you can see here, she's just written on a verified account. I don't know whether I read it all, sio kama nitaisoma yote ama nitaachia njiani, lakini ameandika pale pia akipeana maoni yake kuhusu kile ambacho anaona kinafaa kufanyika kuhusu ile marriage ama ile relationship kati ya Pastor Kanyari na yule ambaye ni Tash na vile vile watoto wao ambaye ni Sky Victor and Dan. Anasema hivi: co-parenting with a baby mama is already an emotional suicide. Now with another man is God's favor upon you. You can only co-parent with your baby mama or baby daddy. You cannot co-parent with their new partner. That reality is painful, complicated, and often misunderstood by faith-God eyes. Today, I'm sending Pastor Kanyari a big hug and our prayers. As a parent, I felt the pain behind your wisdom when you said, hata nyoka anaishi na watoto wake. That is what he said. Hata nyoka anaishi na watoto wake, in quotes. Pastor, those were not just words. They carried the weight of a parent longing for a deeper connection with his children. As a mother, my children have their fathers, Baba Oyo, French, Baba Ojuang, Swiss, Baba Fesha, Prudence, and Dion, Kenyan. In our house, we have Dad, Papa, Daddy-o. It's raining everywhere. I also have my own personal life. The truth is, if I died today, every biological father will have the right to step forward for his child. But even then, the final decision will be influenced by the relationship they built with their child over the years. She continues to say, one painful lesson many parents learn too late is that children do not always choose the strict parent who sacrificed the most. Sometimes they gravitate towards the parent who appears more relaxed, less demanding, and more available for their bullshit, even when the parent is on autopilot, absent-minded, and allow them do what they want. Children often interpret freedom as love and discipline as punishment. She continues to say, Pastor, if you take this battle to court, remember that the greatest judges may not be magistrates, but the children themselves. Their heart experiences and perceptions will ultimately determine where they feel and they belong, not because you have failed, not really. The generation we are raising today surprises even us as parents. As the self-declared president of single mothers, she is the president of single mothers, and an advocate of family values, my humble advice is this: never stop loving your children, never stop showing up, never make them choose between parents. Children already carry enough pain from broken homes. They need healing, not more battles. Let's use dialogue kind of approach and settle on some understandings. My two sons live in France today. One is Swiss, the other French. There came a point where I stopped fighting battles that were costing me my peace, my health, and my future. I chose to laugh from this distance when necessary and trust that genuine love always finds its way back home. She continues to say, the president of single mothers, to every mother and father raising children in a broken or dysfunctional family, my heart is with you. Co-parenting is one of the hardest assignments life can give. It demands patience, sacrifice, forgiveness, and sometimes accepting situations you cannot control. May we put the welfare of the children above our egos, above revenge, and above our personal differences. Children did not ask to be born into conflicts. They deserve parents who choose peace even when peace is difficult. To all parents carrying this burden silently, poleni, may God strengthen you and guide your hearts and protect the children caught in the middle. Amesema, muambieni Pastor Kanyari rafiki yangu anipigie tuongee. That is from the president of Single Mothers.